Hey everyone, my name is Sander from Wooting and today I'm comparing 3 cases of different case materials against each other to see how the 60H module actually sounds inside all different cases. So for the first case we have the stock case which the 60H already comes with. So this should pretty much just represent the plastic ABS cases. The second case is the Tofu60 Aluminum case. And this should represent pretty much, of course, aluminum cases. And for that case, we have the Tofu60 Walnut O-Ring case, and this should pretty much just represent the wooden cases. One thing I do have to mention with the walnut case is it doesn't fit the 60H module from the get-go. You actually have to sand down a couple of millimeters from the top and bottom in order to make it fit. And also in this comparison I removed the case foam to see if it actually makes a big difference in sound, and also I took the time to actually loop all the switches of the 60H and compared the looped 60H against the stock 60H to see if that also makes a big difference. And if you're pretty much new to the looping scene, we actually have a looping kit available in the description below. You can check that out. And if you're wondering how to actually loop your switches, we also have a tutorial for that in the description below. So check that out and let's get into it. And that's pretty much the comparison. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you want to check out more community builds, I highly suggest you to go to our Discord in the description, because people are posting some sick community mods in there, which is really worthy of checking out. So make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.